Welcome to our channel where we provide practical tips and tricks for achieving financial success. Today we will talk about setting financial goals and budgeting to achieve your dreams. You must know that setting financial goals is a critical step in achieving financial success. Without a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, knowing where to focus your efforts can be challenging. So, why not create a budget? Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial goals. Here's how to do it. Start by identifying your income and expenses. That will include any debt payments or savings contribution you need to make. Once you clearly understand your financial situation, you can use this information to set financial goals. When setting financial goals, it's essential to be specific. Rather than saying, "I want to save money," try setting a specific goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment and a house in the next 12 months. Once you have set your financial goals, create a plan for achieving them. Try and break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $5,000 in the next 12 months, consider setting a monthly savings goal of $417. Tracking your progress is an important part of achieving your financial goals. Consider using a saving goal tracker to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Financial goals can change over time, and adjusting your budget and plan as needed is important. Remember, staying committed to achieve your financial goals is the most important thing. Thank you for watching our video on setting financial goals and budgeting to achieve your dreams. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving financial success.